Leading manufacturer of high-quality products. International renown for our diverse range of award-winning products. Fully equipped with state-of-the-art technology. All products have been designed with the professional in mind. Constantly modernizing our powerful devices to meet the demands of the modern user. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Manufactured to meet or exceed strict quality requirements. Certainty starts here. ACDelco maintenance and repair parts are tested to rigorous standards and backed by GM so you and your vehicle can go the distance. Body material plastic. Top reviews from the United States. Worked when Dorman 604-113 failed. 2000 GMC Yukon XL with B3761 code and HVAC stuck on dash vents. Purchased Dorman 604-113 first, but it would not pass the calibration. ACDelco 15-72505 fixed the problem.